Good afternoon. Good evening. Hope everyone's doing well. Came up to the farm already again. I was doing an assessment of the damage that's caused by the rainfall. Actually, I should have brought the drone, but it was still at home charging. I'm gonna switch it around to the field that I'm coming up right now. Just look at these are normally free access trails so that the trader can come in and collect the harvest. And they're in bad shape. Pretty much in bad shape right now. It's water floods in every road, in every row that has free access to vehicles. I mean, look at this one. Oh man, this is terrible. We gotta figure out a way to drain all that water out so we can dry those fields so we can start working on them again. Or we might end up losing everything. Hopefully it should stop already. The worst is done. That Hurricane Elsa that went into Florida, that one's pretty gone and over. I think it went over to South Carolina, out there in the sea, towards the seashores, the coastal area. It'll eventually just work itself all the way up until it just dies when it starts entering the colder waters of the Atlantic. But yeah, we got a lot of got a lot of weeds that've been growing. Let's see, on this side, I'm gonna switch it real quick. On this side, you can see there's still evidence of cloud cover, dark cloud cover. Like there's evidence of rain, but hopefully that doesn't come this way. It doesn't seem like it'll come this way. Based on the weather map, it doesn't look like these clouds were gonna be coming this way. Those are way over there, a couple of counties away, a few counties away from our county. But the cotton's doing okay. I'm not gonna complain about the cotton. It's barely started to sprout, so there's a little farm dog right there. He's always following me around. I'm put the camera on this side. Now right here we can't even see any watermelons. Now they're in there. I know they're in there. But we can't see any watermelons from here. These fields are a little bit higher, but still they got flooded. They're still a bit flooded. Let's head on over to further on north of our farm here. I'm gonna roll up the window. I don't want gnats getting inside the truck. Man, those things are troublesome creatures. But we're gonna be coming up to County Road 48, and just look at that. Oh my gosh, that is terrible. That looks terrible. We haven't had this must be from yesterday's rain, more than likely. If you can see that, I wouldn't mind going outside and recording it, but I'll be swarmed by gnats and mosquitoes, and I'll just record it from the inside of the truck, the comforts of the inside of the truck. Beyond this field right here is another field of watermelons, but it's being eaten over by the foliage. Weeds and stuff is growing over it. That's gonna be a hard one to pick up the watermelons on. I'm gonna get out real quick. I want to show you. It looks like a whitewater river, and I don't want to really get that close because it might be kind of soft at the edge, and I'm just gonna slip and fall. But it's pretty much. It's supposed to be a road where the tractors pass by to pick up the harvest, but look at this. That's pretty much and this is over with already. I mean, this is from rain from yesterday, I believe, because it hadn't rained here all day at all. So. Anyway, I'm gonna go down the road just a little bit. My truck's not dirty, but it'll eventually get dirty anyways. But I'm gonna put the camera out. Hopefully the wind's not picking it up. If it is, I'm just gonna put it back inside yeah, I think I'll just put it inside. There's a lot of gnats coming in. Now, this is pretty much County Road 48. It's very, very well trafficked road when it's dry. Because right now, I don't think anybody would want to pass through here. This particular area of the road gets a little bit deep, but it's okay because I got 4-wheel drive. So, the night, which was 2 nights ago, when these rains came, it was terrible. It was raining like if a cloud decided to just park over us and just dump all its rain on us. It flooded big time. That's where someone who owns a 4-wheel drive truck like me gets to use his 4-wheel drive for its true knowledge of how those 4-wheel drive vehicles work. It's incredible how my truck was able to pull me out of situations where an ordinary non-4x4 vehicle might have gotten stuck already. Now, I'm going to look at the canal here. It's pretty much filled up, but I'm gonna turn back because those roads back there, they don't look that bad. The only thing is that I prefer to just turn around right here because actually these gates I should have been closing them, but it's too wet. And last time I tried closing them, I ended up falling in the mud. I looked like a freaking pig, and I don't want to commit to the same mistake twice again. But the medical cotton is doing nice, beautiful green. That's a healthy plant right there. It's a healthy field. Well, as I said, it's one of those things.
Absence will have on the starting rotate.
I pressed the wrong button. I activated the radio. I don't want any background music or any type of noises. I always try to avoid copyright strikes. YouTube is very, very hard on that. This particular area is pretty deep, but nothing compared to if you'd be driving an ordinary vehicle, then I would worry about it. But these dogs chase anything they can find. our little puppy dog, ranch dog. Look at that. He's so saturated in mud and water. He's having a good time. We call him Raul. And there's really a joke behind it. But, I'm going to close this window. It's getting bad. Getting bad. Getting full of gnats. And believe me, it's very hard to get rid of these gnats in the inside. Oh, anyways, that is a rundown of what's going on here at the ranch right now. It's pretty much wet. We probably won't have, if we decide, we probably won't have any type of harvest if we decide to start it up again. If it stops raining now, hopefully maybe in another 4 more days we might start having people come over and start helping us with the harvest. So if not, those watermelons are going to rot by themselves there. That's going to be a big loss for us. But anyways, I'm going to end this video. I want to thank you all for watching it. Please like and subscribe. And I appreciate those that have subscribed. You have no idea how much that means well to me. It means that I can be able to give you better quality videos, more in-depth views as far as farming 101. I would say it'd be nice if the Philippines were to open for tourists so that I can bring these brand new cameras that I bought. I'm actually being filmed. I'm being shot. It's being shot by an Insta360 Go 2. It's a wonderful camera. It's waterproof, up to 14 feet or something like that. It's a quite rugged little camera. It's gives me the opportunity to put 4K videos, even though it's not a 4K camera. It's pretty close to it. It's 1440p or 1080p. But I like it. A lot of people have told me that your camera looks nice and clear, superb underwater, blah blah blah, and so forth. So I use the Go 2 more often than what I would have done by using the Insta360 One X2. And in the meantime, I'm pretty much done. I haven't used any GoPro products as of right now. I got the Hero 9 tucked away, the GoPro Max tucked away. Let's see. And of course, I got the 7 and the 6, and the 8 also, the Hero 8, but those are all pretty much tucked away. Most of the videos that I've been making in these blogs is with the Go 2 from Insta360. They're good people. The company is very friendly, and their customer support is good. And the administrators are nice people. They help you out. You have a problem with your camera or something, they'll help you out. They take the patience and they don't treat you like a number. They treat you like a human. Anyways, that's my take for today. I have I'm gonna go check the rest of the fields. Yeah, it looks pretty healthy. The fields look healthy here. There's tons of watermelon that needs to get picked up. But anyways, in ending, want to wish you all a great week. The weekend's coming up tomorrow. We'll start the weekend. You all maintain your social distancing. And if you have an opportunity, take your family on Sunday and take them to the Christian church of your choice. And you all take care and God bless. Until next time.